Ever feel like a secret agent, always on the lookout for hidden treasures? Get ready to add a new trick to your spy arsenal. A homemade metal detector. You probably have all the gadgets you need around the house. Today, we're diving into a surprising life hack using a calculator and an AM radio to detect metal. It's science meets DIY, and it's pretty cool. So, how can a calculator and a radio sniff out buried secrets? It's all about electromagnetic interference. A calculator emits a weak electromagnetic field when turned on. AM radios are experts at picking up electromagnetic signals. Combining these creates a simple, effective metal detector. Here's what you'll need: an AM radio tuning dial, capable of static. A calculator functioning display and keypad. Tape to secure everything. Now for the setup. First, tune your AM radio to a static station. This is your baseline. Tape the calculator to the back of the radio. Make sure it's secure, but don't cover any key components. The calculator should easily turn on/off and the display should be visible. Once set up, turn on both the calculator and radio. Hold the radio near metal, like a coin or key. You should hear a change in the static, a buzz or hum. This sound change signals metal detection. The calculator's field interferes with the radio signals, altering the static. The closer to the metal, the more pronounced the sound change. Why does this work? Both are electronic devices, susceptible to interference. The calculator emits radio waves. When they hit metal, they bounce back, interfering with the radio. This changes the static. This setup introduces electromagnetism simply. It's a great project for all ages. A fantastic example of using technology in unexpected ways. This DIY metal detector isn't as powerful as professional ones. It won't find deeply buried metals, but it's perfect for small objects around your house or garden. Effectiveness can vary depending on the calculator, radio, and environment. So, there you have it. A calculator and AM radio, transformed into a makeshift metal detector. It's fun, educational, and surprisingly effective. Grab your calculator, tune your radio, and start your treasure hunt. Happy detecting!